Welcome back, PG Nation. We still dey on top Aptos, but before we begin talk about the products and good things wey dey on top Aptos ecosystem, I go need make una understand Aptos native token wey we dey call APT. You see this APT wey be Aptos native token, na im we dey use do transaction fee, sending in and sending out. You wan deploy something on Aptos, na this their token you go use pay for gas fee, something wey we know as transaction fee for the local bank, you get. And this gas fee e dey very very low, wey be say you fit no spend up to 10 naira to do transfer or send in and out on top Aptos chain. So if you dey build, you need to understand say Aptos get e own money wey dem dey use transact on top am, wey we dey call APT. So no worry, many updates still dey come, but you go need first understand the Aptos ecosystem so e go dey easy for you to interact on top the chain. Stay tuned, subscribe to this channel and wait for more.